Okay, so one of my viewers asked me how do you get the head off of this wild badger trimmer cutter. It's very simple really. See this little hole right here at the top of this aluminum area? You take one of these pins or something about this size and you just stick it in this hole. Then you turn it, well I'm already in it, so you turn it till you find the hole. And then that'll lock this up. Then you turn this clockwise, the opposite way that you would normally put a nut on. So I'm take it off. Okay. Now, you'll see they've got some spacers in here and stuff. This right here is where that was stuck and holding it, okay? Okay, I should point out that these trimmers slash cutters, like a lot of these devices, you can remove the neck away from the actual engine itself. Well, I've done that for ease of being able to maneuver it around while I film this video. And so when I flip it over, the engine isn't flipped over because it's not even attached at the moment. You've got this all apart. The best way to put the next part on there is to literally turn it upside down, okay? You can use a prop to hold it like that if you need to, but turn it upside down. Make sure the valley part of this, not the flush part, but the valley part is facing towards the back because that's where your little part goes in to lock it. Now the reason why I've got it upside down is so that this will go over that hole properly, fit in there, and stay there. If you have it flipped over, that'll tend to walk off and create a gap right there. Then you take this part and you throw it on there. You take the cover here, you throw it on there. Now here's the thing, we're not locked in. So we've got to find that hole again. And now it's on this side. So let's lock it in. There it is, locked in. Now we take our nut. Remember, it's backwards threaded, which is another reason to make sure you hang on to the nut that come with it. Not only is it backwards threaded, but it's made to tighten up the, it's got tension in the bottom of it to help it stay tight. Tension at the top of it in this case. Okay, you got it tight. There you go. You take it out, you're ready to go.